morning, mighty owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Monday, October 5th, 2020. It's an A day. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one indivisible. Now it's time for the Owl Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my Owl Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot, hoot! Now it's time for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, Idea South Flores Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Here's some that happened last week. In the Family Weekly, you'll see pictures of scholars that are working hard to earn their stuffed animal rewards. They're wanting to be Royal Reader. I also saw some pre-K scholars who had earned the perfect attendance award and were able to dress up like Smarties. Nice job, scholars. Couple reminders from the Family Weekly. We have no school this Friday or next Monday. So no school this Friday or next Monday. Enjoy a 4-day weekend. Also, scholars, remember, if you're coming to school, make sure you bring a water bottle. We want to make sure our safety and health is first. Today is a great day to learn. Have a great day. Hoot, hoot!